Good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing this morning? I am going to put my, why not? I'm going to put my Christmas stuff over here for right now. We are working on a new project. It is this pattern from Villa Rosa. Let me bring you closer. See if you can see me better. So we are working on this one, Homecoming. I have my panel up. So it's very simple to follow. I've went through this, very good, a very easy beginner panel quilt. I'm telling you, you're going to put this together so fast. You're going to be like, what? Yeah, it's that fast. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to make half square triangles. So we're going to cut our squares to the size that they have on the pattern. I can't give it to you since it's not my pattern. It is a Villa Rosa pattern in case if you'd like to find it. I'm actually going to do this in real time. I've had lots of videos of me doing half square triangles, but hey, one more time isn't going to kill us. We're going to draw a line and we are going to sew on both sides. After we do that, we're going to come here and we are going to give it a little slice right where I drew the line. Some people draw the line, some people don't. That's totally fine. And then we're going to come here. And I am going to square it off. So if you have a block lock, use that. You have a regular ruler, you can use that. I had this trim it ruler, and for this particular block, it's the trim it size, right? No. Well, the size will be in the pattern. But I am going to go ahead and trim this. And why I have that beautiful, I had this brand new rotary mat that was gifted to me, and I love it, and I keep forgetting it over there because I'm always using it. That would be helpful so that we're not doing some crazy moves like you're seeing me do right now. All right. We've trimmed it. This all goes to doggy beds. We have these two. All right, next thing, we have to make a 4-patch. So we're going to take our 2 squares and we're going to do a 1/4 inch seam, and then the same thing here, 1/4 inch seam. If you look, they're kind of connected. And I find that that's easier for right now to kind of just keep them in check. I open them up, I fold them over, and I nest. The pressing is really up to you with this. It goes by so quick. So now I have it, and I am going to put and sew this up. Put this on the machine and sew it up. Now at this point, I have my 4-patch. If you can do a big 4-patch and a big half square triangle, you will have this done up in no time. I'm telling you that stuff. And I do press to the dark, right? So not the white to the dark. And then I'm going to show you the 3 fabrics I used, which was a white one with this that I had left over, and this like poinsettia one I had left over. All right, this is how quick it's going to go. Are you ready for the quickest, most simplest, quick, fast? What other words could I use? Panel. Wait till you see this. Look at that. Let's see, can you see that? It's at a weird angle. But look at that. Look at how quick. I already have all that on. What I don't have is I don't have this section done here. So this, we turn it like that. And then this, I'm going to look on my, just to make sure I have everything right. That's there. And this, oh, here we go. That's why, because this, see, I that goes there. No, that's right. And that goes there. Okay. So we have that there. And then this one is here. So that's the way it is. You just double check. Everything is good. So now we're going to go sew that. Ready? Come on over. So this comes here, and we're just going to sew this on. And then we're gonna put this one on. I'm telling you, once the hardest part of this whole thing is squaring up your panel to size. That is it. Take the top. Now, what I will do here is I'm going to press this right here in front of you. So this will go, this goes, that's there. So this goes actually this way. We're going to press and press. And I just press my way right through this. And it really doesn't matter except for the corners which way you actually press those, because that's the only place that you have the seams intersecting, right? Because the other ones are not touching any seam. And so here you are, you have your piece right here. And now we're going to bring it to the big one right here. And we're going to take our whole panel quilt and bring it here. So you're talking about having your 8 half square triangles, right? And your 4 patch. And then the measurements of the bars that they have. So I come in here, and the first thing I do is I put in a pin right here where the 4 patch in the corner, and the HST matches up. Everything nests beautifully. Then I come in here and put in a next pin. And now I do try to pin quite often with this, because I will tell you it's a long stretch. And I also find that if you pin this, the panel and the little corners stay nice and crisp. So now I have this all laxy-daisy like this. Then I come over here, and then I start on this side. so that if for some reason there's any kind of weirdness, I can pin that in and then it will be taken up in the seam. I don't know how, it just magically does it. And then I come in here to the next spot. And then the next one. And sometimes there's a little bit of fabric that needs to be eased, but at this point, nope, it's perfect. So I'm gonna come in here and I'm just going to pop in some pins. And boy, is this a quick and easy panel. Well, look at how fast we did that. So, come in, 1/4 of an inch, the magical number of the 1/4 of an inch. Make sure that everything, oops, see, I had that pinned wrong. There we are. You want to make sure those corners nest. The only corners you have to nest is those 4 corners right there on this pan. Again, you do not have to use this for a holiday quilt. It could be any kind of panel. Don't feel like it has to be only for Christmas. It's just the Christmas time, and I just love to have Christmas fabric. These 2 panels came, I bought them in Puerto Rico. As you know, they really celebrate their 3 Kings Day. So I saw these and I thought they were really neat. Brings my heritage back to my house. And I do like to back stitch, being that this is our last time going in. And you know what? I didn't do it at the beginning, and that's okay, because what we could do is we can reinforce it right here by doing it over. And there we are. So now I'm going to take this, and I like to press it where it's going towards the panel. So I come in here. You can absolutely set the seam, but for video purposes, we're just going to go with it like this. And then I'm going to show you what our finished product looks like. Here we are. I'm going to go ahead and move you. Oops, I've got that on backwards. Let's try that a little bit better. Now, looking at this, I think if I was to redo this, I think I would have used maybe like gold here and then red to tie in this border. Oops, I'm talking and you're not seeing, sorry. Doing this again, if I was to do it over, and I'm not unpicking anything, I would have done maybe gold here and then super red here. But hey, I'm using my scraps. This is a quick, super easy panel quilt that can be done in any way you wish. I hope you find a panel to do this with. I do, because this went by so quick. So everyone, have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. Pass it forward. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Everybody, take care. Bye.